I made a very huge mistake in starting up my content creation journey, and I'm here to tell you so that you don't make the same mistake. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this video. So this video might be quick, but I just want it to just be put out there so that a lot of people will actually learn for this my particular mistake. Now, one of the mistakes I made as a content creator is not starting up on time. It's not starting up early. It's not taking up the bull when I'm supposed to. Like, I've known YouTube, right? But the only thing I do basically on YouTube is just to go watch videos and just disappear to the thin air. And I didn't even know that you can make money until I came across a particular video, Dana Ekweme video, that said how she became a millionaire housewife. And that was where my challenge started from. And I was like, if this person can be a millionaire housewife, I can literally be a millionaire housewife. Tomorrow I'll be 4 on YouTube, like I'll be 4 years on YouTube. I started my journey 3 years ago, and tomorrow will make me 4 years, which is 18th of June 2025 will make me 4 good years on YouTube. Guys, I wish I knew YouTube earlier, because some of the things I am doing right now, I think I would have done better. I think I would have stepped up or be more than this particular level that I am. I'm still grateful, don't get me wrong. I'm still grateful at the appropriate time that I knew YouTube, right? But just imagine I started YouTube 8 years ago, 7 years ago, 6 years ago, and all of these things I've been doing now, I've been able to implement this right from that time. By now, I've don't become a baller. You understand what I'm trying to say? Now, why am I saying this? I'm saying this so that you that is watching me will not make the same mistakes that I've made. A lot of people have been watching YouTubers saying, oh, you can make money on YouTube, you can make money from putting out videos, you can make money from even creating a faceless channel, but they have not even been taking it serious. Like, they just basically see it like, are you sure I can even do it? It is going to be stressful. A lot has been procrastinating. They don't even want to go there. Like, they don't even want to even hear that content creating is something they can like try, or even if they want to try, they'll be like, okay, I will do it today, I will do it tomorrow, I will do it next tomorrow. See, there is no time for you. It is better that as you're watching this particular video that is going to be dropping on your table, you just pick up your bag, your baggages, start up with every single thing that you have, even if it's just the smartphone that is not even clear at all. Just start up content creating. Honestly, I can tell you for a fact that if you start creating content on YouTube, there is no way you are going to regret. For the past 4 years, I know what I personally achieved on this YouTube street. Like, financially, emotionally, physically, like every single thing. And I'm grateful for this platform called YouTube. And that is why I am talking to you that is looking at me right now, that if you're still procrastinating on your YouTube journey, you've not even started, or you've started but you have just been joking with it, you don't even want to take it serious, maybe you feel like YouTube is just one side hustle for you. Guys, it is a call to action that you start taking everything regarding content creating serious. I can tell you for a fact that this platform is a blessing. I can tell you for a fact that if you keep doing what you know how to do best, there is no way you're going to regret being on this particular platform. YouTube is a space for everybody. YouTube is a place that you are going to make money. The only thing you need is your video. Just keep creating that video that you know how to do best. Just keep putting out value here. Just keep pushing in content. Just keep putting in the consistency. Do not give up on whatsoever you are doing, and trust me, you are definitely not going to regret it. I started 3 years ago. Like I said, tomorrow will make me 4 years, and I have achieved, and I can say for a fact that YouTube is a blessing to me. In fact, YouTube is a blessing to my husband. YouTube is a blessing to my marriage. Like, YouTube is a blessing to my life. Like, sometimes I ask myself, what if I didn't even start YouTube? What if I didn't even know about YouTube? Like, how do I start looking for one job to another, or still keep managing the job I've been doing before, and so on and so forth? Like, there's a lot of things that I have been lying down on my bed since yesterday, and I just keep thinking towards it, and I'll be like, God, I am grateful I came across this particular video that is telling me that YouTube can actually make me a millionaire YouTuber, which is a Dana Ekweme video. And that's why I do not joke with Dana Ekweme in this YouTube street. Yes, we've not met before, but I don't joke with her because I knew how valuable that content is to me. That content keeps sinking, it keeps ringing in my head, and that is one of the push that has driven me to where I am today. And to be honest, have I personally become that millionaire housewife? Yes, I have personally become that millionaire housewife, because I can just sit in my house and in a month I know what the Lord is doing in my life and bringing down to my account. Guys, if you're watching this video, like I said, is a call to action for you. It is a call to action that you start up pack up your bag and baggages and start doing YouTube. Will you make it on this YouTube street? Yes, you will definitely make it on this YouTube street. All you need to know is to know the ideas, how the algorithm works, how things are actually going on this YouTube street, and trust me, you will definitely not regret it. If you have any single video you need to put out, be it you're just using your smartphone, be it you're using anything, just start. The most important thing is start. Get the knowledge and start, and trust me, you are definitely not going to regret it. Those ones that are in the quest that want to say, oh, I want to really know how to navigate YouTube, I want to know how things work here, I just want to have that idea, I just want to know how to build my audience, I just want to know how to start bringing that coins to my table. I'm going to be holding my next masterclass, which is going to be July 26th 2025, next month, which is Saturday, where I personally share with you how you can navigate and grow. So for those that have been asking, when is the next masterclass starting? The next masterclass is on the July 26th. We are making it Saturday because we want every single person to be available. And all you need to do for you to access this masterclass is just a token of 10,000 naira. With 10,000 naira, you can send me a mail with the mail you're seeing on your screen, faithonanja3195@gmail.com. Now, the beautiful part of joining this particular masterclass is we already have a community built that whenever we're done with our masterclass, we add you up to this community where you can personally grow with your fellow content creators, where you can personally grow with your friend. And trust me, you are definitely not going to regret it. With just 10,000 naira, you can access this masterclass this 26th of July 2025. Come learn how to navigate YouTube. Come learn how things are working on YouTube. Come learn how different people are making money on this said platform called YouTube, and trust me, you will definitely not regret it. So like I said, send us a DM at faithonanja3195@gmail.com, and trust me, you will not regret it. Now, for those ones that will be like, no, I don't want to join the group, I want to do like a one-on-one thing where me and you personally see, where me and you personally go into my channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. This is where I personally go into your channel as well. All you need to do is to check this flyer that is displaying on the screen, and the same mail, faithonanja3195@gmail.com. Send us a mail and just tell us that, madam, me, my own is on one-on-one coaching, and trust me, we'll get your coaching section started. Now, for those ones that don't know, we're having what is called YouTubers Hangout on the 29th of this June 2025, which is going to be massive. It's going to be mind-blowing, where Port Harcourt YouTubers coming together, not only Port Harcourt YouTubers that are still close, like Enugu, Delta State, Imo. If you just know you are anywhere close around Port Harcourt, that is just like a 2 hours drive to Port Harcourt, 3 hours drive to Port Harcourt, this Port Harcourt YouTubers Hangout is for you. This is where you personally see Vibe with Sonia, where me and you can actually learn 1 or 2 things from each other. We are going to like have a lot of fun, and trust me, you will definitely not regret it. All you need to do is to send us a mail at stillfaithonanja3195@gmail.com. Just write Port Harcourt Hangout and then your WhatsApp number. That is it. There is no long story. We are going to be adding you up to the WhatsApp group, and trust me, it is going to be fabulous. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah.